Okay guys, so I've been seeing this hack going around the internet about how to clean your beauty blenders, aka makeup sponges. Wow, the powder is like, that was powder, that was not a dirty stovetop. Anyways, how to clean your sponges with a mug, water, soap, and a good old microwave. Yes, it's 6:41 in the evening. I'm giving this one a shot, so let's go ahead and jump into it and see how this works. So some of the people who I've seen you doing this have just been using good old hand soap, but I'm a Dawn girl. I like my Dawn dish soap. So I'm going to try it with my Dawn dish soap. So I'm just going to put just a itty bitty bit of the Dawn dish soap into the mug. I'm going to turn on the water here. Fill it up. Okay. I like to put the Dawn in first. I should shut the water off. I like to put the Dawn in first because that just, it bubbles up like this, all nice, right? So you can see this is my Morphe sponge. It's very dirty. I have not cleaned this one in a minute. So I'm going to start with this one, and I'm just going to drop it straight in. Whew, there's lots of suds in there. I'm going to put a little more water. Okay. Easter eggs. Oh, I think everybody only put it in the microwave for like a minute each. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and just pop the second one in too. Let's just see what happens there, right? Soapy fingers. Alright. Mug is in the microwave. I'm going to start this off at 1 minute. And we will just go from there. Huh, baby girl? Hi. She's like, Mom, you're crazy. You're crazy, Mommy. You're crazy. Look at that hair. Where's your other bow? She knocked it out. She's got one bow in. She knocked out one bow. Food's ready. My sponges are ready, maybe. Okay, I'm like nervous to touch this because everybody's like, so hot. Well, yeah, you just boiled the water. Okay. I'm just... It is hot. It is hot. Alright, well, I don't know. Look at the tip there. Look at the tip. Oh, it's smoking. It's a hot tip. Anyways, you can see it's still pretty dirty. Let's see this one. But you saw I didn't do anything to it. Woof, that one's a lot hotter. This one was cleaner before. It more just had like baking powder on it. So there's that. We're gonna do another minute. Soak them up and put some more water in. Yep. Okay. Let's try this again. What's up, Minnie? In you go. Express cooking. On a side note, we have green grass. Green grass, the barbecue's out, table's up. Yes, summer is coming. Ready. What's up, Minnie? Let's see, did you work some magic for me? Alright. Okay. Probably would be easier if I had like a stick or something hooked up to my camera. What? What? Yes, look at the steam on that. My goodness. Woof. Hot. I'm gonna rinse it off cold. What? Oh, it's so hot. I don't know if you can tell the water that came out of it. It's pretty dirty. Dirty water. It's red too. See if it's dye. Lots of red coming out. That's how it goes with these Morphe sponges though. Look at that tip. It is still pretty dang dirty, and it looks like it's got like holes in it, but it really doesn't. I don't know, maybe I just put holes in there with my nails. Yeah. I don't know about this one, you guys. Is it worth the hassle? Would it really clean it all that much better? I'm going to show you what I normally do. At least I'm going to attempt to show you. Normally, I just take my Dawn and I just drop a little bit there on the tip. On the tip. You gotta really work that tip. And look at that. See how that's still coming out after doing this little hack? And then like, woo. I mean, it's still not totally clean, but it's a lot cleaner than it was with this microwave hack. See how that's still coming out? Lots of red dye coming out too. Alright, so there you have it. That's how I normally clean my beauty blender sponges, makeup sponges, whatever the crap you want to call these. So, hack. I don't know if that's a hack. I still think I just prefer just good old running water and my Dawn. So, let's just see. I just want to see what this water looks like. I mean, it's cloudy for sure, but I mean, yeah, it's definitely cloudy, but I was expecting to see a lot dirtier water. With how everybody was talking about this hack, saying it was amazing. Yeah, it wasn't that amazing. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a big ol' thumbs up. If you liked it, leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!